Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to add and manage time schedules for the self-service. First, select the self-service item in the side menu. Then click on Time Schedules. You are now in the overview of your time schedules. To create a new time schedule, click on plus Add Time Schedule. A new window will open where you can adjust the information of the new time schedule. Start by entering a name into the corresponding text field. To specify which day of the week is open, set the corresponding check mark. By deselecting a check mark, the respective day will be marked as closed. Then set the starting and ending hours by using the respective time fields. To set multiple time slots for a day, click on the corresponding circled plus icon. To remove an additional time slot, use the corresponding bin icon. After you have entered the default opening hours, you can use plus add exception to create irregular opening hours. Simply use the calendar drop-down menu to select a specific date or period. Then, use the open, close button to specify whether it is open or closed on your selected period. Lastly, enter the opening hours into the respective time fields. Note, only necessary when you add an irregular opening period. You can add as many exceptions as you want. Simply click on plus add exception again. To delete an exception, click on the corresponding bin icon. If you have more time schedules you want to add, click on Save and Add New. Otherwise, once you are done setting up the time schedule, click on Save to apply the changes. To now assign a time schedule, go to Sales Channels. You are now in the overview of your sales channels. To adjust the settings of a channel, use the corresponding edit icon. A new window will open where you can adjust the information of the sales channel. To assign a time schedule to the channel, go to Opening Hours. Now, use the drop-down menu of the opening hours to expand the list of available time schedules. Then select one of the given options. Then apply the changes by clicking on Save. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to add and manage time schedules for the self-service. Note, since there have been changes made, you need to send those to your system by directing to the General Settings.